If you've been trying to play Roblox on your Xbox Series X and keep getting hit with the dreaded 103 error code, don't worry, as it's an easy problem to fix. In this video, I'll be showing you some steps you can take to fix the issue and get back to playing your favorite games on Roblox. The first thing you should do when you encounter the 103 error code is to check your internet connection. Poor internet connectivity can cause the error code to appear. You can check your internet connection by going to the settings menu on your Xbox and selecting network. Make sure your Xbox is connected to the internet and that the signal strength is strong enough. The next step is to clear the cache on your Xbox Series X. To do this, simply press and hold the Xbox button on your controller until the power menu appears. Then, select Restart Console, and choose the option to restart your console. This will clear your cache and may resolve the issue. If the previous steps didn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox app. To do this, go to your Xbox home screen, select My Games and Apps, then find the Roblox app and press the menu button on your controller. Choose Uninstall and confirm the action. Then, go to the Microsoft Store and reinstall the app. If none of the previous steps worked, it's possible that the issue is on Roblox's end. In this case, you should contact Roblox support. You can do this by visiting the Roblox website and submitting a support ticket. Explain the issue you're experiencing and include any relevant information, such as your Xbox Series X console model and the error code you're receiving. And there you have it. These are the steps you can take to fix the Roblox 103 error code on your Xbox Series X. We hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.